Because we're a direct lender, there's no middleman that delays or costs you money. If you've been in business for 6 months and have sales of at least $15,000 per month, we can approve you.
That is cool. Now the other one went away though, didn't it?
3 days.
Yeah. No, you're wrecking it with the, yeah, just like.
Oh, there's a righty. There's a right. There's a right. Come on, get the top.
I don't know if it'll show on my camera, but.
I could use a little more rain.
Yeah, right. Oh, these kitties are playing Tiger. Gentle! Okay, rest. Take a break. They like to bite each other hard for some godforsaken reason. Where you going, Tiger? Hi, Cow Cow. Hi, County Mama. Hi, baby girl. You wanna say hi to YouTube? Say hi. Say hi to YouTube, Tiger. Oh. You guys are crazy. You know that? You guys are crazy kitties. Okay. Oh, you want to say hi to YouTube too? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Tiger, say, oh, Mama's coming. There's Mama Cow Cow. Got his Forza Horizon 4, and he's been playing it. I have been in love with this game. Like, in love. What are you doing? Why are you doing a burnout? Like, look at his car. Got a dope car. Yeah. Just gonna leave it zoomed in, because then it looks like you're, like, actually driving with him. Do you like the game? What do you think of the game?
Oh, I like it.
You like it. You don't like it. You love it. Blake, stop rocking back and forth. You're getting in my vlog way. I'm not gonna film too much. What are you doing, Tiger? Oh, she got smacked. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You just chilling? You chilling? Hey, Smokey baby girl, baby boy. Hey, Gracie Macy. stuff galore. This is what we've gotten so far. Oh, that's cute. They have a tiny one too. They have the tiny one down there. You want a tiny one? This is the best part about having a black cat, is because everything has to be Smokey loves his daddy.